welcome back to my channel Brainwave Blitz GK. So hope you're doing well. So today I'm going to show you how you can remove a watermark from your video. So nowadays when you are doing video editing to upload your video into YouTube, you have to make sure there is no watermark in order to get monetized. So for that we use some of the tools to remove the watermark, and there is a very useful tool which I am going to show you today, and I'm sure it's gonna help you a lot to remove the watermark from your video, and it's gonna be very simple. So let's get started and I will show you how you can do that. So there is a website where we have to upload our video, and after uploading the video you can remove the watermark. So this is the website which we use to remove the watermark. It's 123 apps. So I will give the the link in my description, so you can use the website to remove the watermark. So I will show you how you can use it. Okay, so I have already used it to remove watermarks from my earlier videos, that's why it is showing up here. So let me start it from scratch. Okay, so what I will do here is we'll go to my project here, then we'll select new project. Okay, once we select new project, the interface will look like this, and you must be knowing that for YouTube the ratio is 16:9. So we will select this one, and here we will click on add files. Here we have to select our files. So I will take an example and then we can try it. Yeah, so let's take this one. Alright, so I have taken this video, and you can see on the right bottom corner there is a watermark which is a runway. So I'm going to show you how you can remove this watermark. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and like my video, and please motivate me so that I can keep creating such kind of informative video for you. Alright, so now let me show you. So we have so many options here, and those options you can try when you are using this website, but let me just come to the point directly and I will show you how you can remove the watermark. So you can see in the left hand side there is a remove logo option. You have to just click here. Alright, so now when you click it, you can see here it says select one or more areas you wish to remove from your video. So what I am going to do here, I'll come directly to my video screen, and you can see this is the screen which we have. This is the watermark which we have to remove. So what I will do here, I'll just make sure I'll just cover this one by dragging the mouse cursor here, and once you do it, just leave it here. Now left hand side, come here and click on apply. Once you click on apply, you can see here the watermark is removed. It is looking blur and it is removed. So after doing this, we will save this video. So I'm not going to save it because I have already saved it. I will show you how the video looks here. Okay, so let me go here and I will go here. So you can take this example. So you can see this video is not showing any watermark. I'm not going to play this for a long time, so let me close it. So this is just an example which I wanted to show you, that after removing, the watermark will get removed from your video. Hope you like this video, and please give a like if you if this video is helpful for you. Thank you and have a great day. See you next video.